Got us a catering order. She nice too. She real nice. Let's get this thing picked up. It even got a little setup on it. Hey, let's get this money, man. I knew we was gonna get it. I knew it. Let's get this money, man. DoorDash pick up for Casey. It don't show me. It's a catering order. It's a large order. At a food delivery? Yeah. Sir?
Head up to this long table right here.
All right. That's where you want to set up on the table? All right. I just gotta get a quick picture of everything. I'm sorry. Good enough. Thank you. Y'all have a good one.
Watch my long-form content, like and subscribe to see how I get orders like this all the time.